On our last episode of Onboard Lifestyle, we sailed from Ensenada La Gringa to Bahia Alcatraz. My dad catches a fish, we feast. My mom catches a fish, we laugh.
Just concentrate.
Concentrate? What's the concentrate? Oh, I feel something! Oh!
See?
The crew gets a little beach time before we share our dinner with the local fly population. Let's pick up our story as we leave Alcatraz, sailing northeast to Puerto Refugio.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye?
We're heading out again. It feels like we are always on the go. This time, though, it's because for the first time in a long time, we are on a schedule. We had a notification from the haul-up facility that we have a date, and that is in 4 days. In the meantime, we do want to hit one more stop before we head to Penasco. And because we're on a schedule, we don't have the luxury of hanging out and waiting for the perfect wind. Today, it shows that the wind's going to be coming from the north, so that's not very fun. But we do have a 2 to 3 knot current, and hopefully because we are around the islands, there's always a different weather pattern, I guess, because of the influence of the island. So hopefully we'll get to catch a little bit of a breeze and pull up the spinnaker. If not, we'll just kind of ride with the tides.
All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be.
Today's leg from Alcatraz to Refugio was assisted by the strong currents of the upper Sea of Cortez. Basik covered the 25.9 nautical miles in 3.5 hours at an average speed of 7.4 knots. On our approach to Refugio, we had to round Roca Vela, which gave us a spectacular visual effect that made this 167-foot-tall pinnacle appear to be floating far above the sea's surface. This optical illusion is caused by warm air meeting cold water. This unusual sight is also known as a superior image, or Fata Morgana. Now that we have dropped the hook in the south Anchorage of the West Bay, the first order of business is to get the lay of the land and spend a day exploring this amazing place.
Emma, do you feel confident?
No.
Okay, just...
There's a big rock in the way.
Oh, that's a small little rock. Now cut over here.
It looked like an archway, but it's not.
There's another one behind it. Go ahead and go under there, Em. Let's see if we can make it through here. Just take it slow. The booby is not happy we're going through here.
They're not safe on us.
Is that a rock right there? Yep, back it up, back it up, back it up. No, reverse.
This way. I am
That way, reverse. Yep, we're not gonna make it. There's a big rock right there. See it?
I told you guys that.
Hey, trying to adventure a little.
Me too. Live. We have the adult on board.
I know. You did good, Em. Okay, let's try the next one. There's one more right around the corner here. We'll see if we can make it through that one. I mean, look at this rock wall. It's just crazy.
It's pretty spectacular.
Goes straight up above us.
It's kind of crazy because you can see like it's different textures of this head, and then the side cliff, and then that side.
There's a couple other lobes to this anchorage. There's a boat anchored here, a called Noddle there, a catamaran. And Remedy's over here in the middle lobe, and there's an east lobe as well over there. Okay, let's see if we can make it through one of these. We're on a mission, Em. Look at Emma taking us into the cave. Wow.
Whoa,
Go around this way.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. Okay, put it in
Neutral,
neutral.
neutral. Go reverse, it's a little shallow. Just go reverse. This went in a lot further than I thought.
Eventually it'll come through.
Okay, let's head over here towards this arch.
Okay.
Well, what do you think of this place so far?
I think this is pretty spectacular. It almost has a Jurassic Park feel.
I know, like,
Except there's not enough trees, but because of the hurricane, everything is really green and it's pretty. It's so cool.
I mean, you just look around, it looks like you're on a different planet. I mean, you go up these rock cliffs and there's a cactus poking out of it. And caves. Look at this cave here. There's another cave right behind us.
And it goes through.
Yeah, it does. We got this arch right here. All these just rocks just jutting up in the middle of the bay.
It makes me feel like I can rock climb, but I know I can't.
Look at this pelican sitting right up here.
Just don't run into the guy that's sunbathing. Today is extra hot, extra sticky, but it was a really fun day. Today is a first for Emma. So as a cruising kid, she doesn't get very many opportunities to make her own money. Aside from our merch, which she gets to keep all the proceeds because that's her design, she doesn't get to do any side jobs, really. So today she was offered her first paying babysitting job.
I was super excited when Brian and Kaza asked me to babysit Nugget so that they could dive on Rocavella together.
Do you like that, Sierra?
Nice.
Yeah, do you like it?
We have spent time with them at the last few anchorages, so I think that they were pretty comfortable with me watching her for a few hours. Nugget is super cute and a fun kid to watch. I showed her how to draw on my iPad.
Oh, boy. Mommy. Oh. Mommy. Mommy.
And she showed me her favorite show, Curious George.
So what do you think, Emma? This a pretty good gig?
Yeah.
Get to hang out with little cute, adorable kids.
She's so adorable.
Sierra, say hi.
At one point she asked where her parents were, so I brought her up on the bow to point to the rock. I'm pretty sure jumping on the tramps made her happy. Thanks for the vote of confidence, Brian and Kaza. For the first few days in Refugio, we enjoyed the South Anchorage of the West Bay, but the crew decided to move Basik to the North Anchorage, which will stage us nicely for our departure to Penasco and will give us a different view to experience.
Where are you going?
Well, you know what? Got this little fishing camp over here on the beach, and thought they might want some fresh water and a little treat.
Yeah, we always have candy on board because a lot of these fishing villages have kids and they always ask for just the basics.
It's just a nice little treat for them.
Yeah, candy for their kids and water for themselves.
So I'll be back in a minute.
That's very nice of you, Teal.
That water was about empty by the time I got back here.
What?
I saw them, they were passing around that gallon. They could have used a 10 gallons.
Should we make more water for them?
Yeah, maybe in the morning we'll make some more. Nice guys. Well, you ready to haul out tomorrow? Or day after tomorrow. We leave tomorrow.
We leave tomorrow.
Trying to get rid of all of our food out of the fridge,
I've
aren't
been
we?
planning so that we have absolutely no more waste on board. So when we haul out, the fridge will be empty.
Well, one way to do that is to share with the Anchorage.
You know how I like to share.
So we've invited, well, there's only one other boat in the Anchorage, so we're going to have a couple of friends come over, and we'll have a good, nice home-cooked meal by Lynn.
This is the kitchen sink, literally, you
Well,
guys.
so
But
what do we have it?
we're gonna, well, there's not a lot of vegetables left, so I'm gonna do a chicken and shrimp stir fry.
Sounds delicious. What do you mean not a lot? Look at this.
Well, our guests are eaters, and so are we. You need to have sustenance before you do a big passage, right?
That's right.
It's only 135?
No,
110?
Yeah, 110 miles, yeah.
Yeah, but still, you gotta have some energy.
That's
And
right.
I don't want to cook while we're underway sometimes.
I don't think we're going to have leftovers.
We'll see.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like and remember to subscribe to our channel. These videos are made possible by the support of our amazing patrons. Join our crew if you can. Our time here in Refugio is almost to an end, but I had so much fun exploring this area, babysitting Sierra, hanging out with the crew of Delos, and just relaxing. Come back next week as we prepare to sail to Puerto Penasco and haul Basik out of the water. See you then!